Lesson number 20th. Welcome in Inspiring English Academy. You will get 4 seconds after every question. Listen to the question. Answer the question and get fluency in English. For better results, practice it many times. Subscribe and share this video. Answer the questions. When did you start watching TV? How many years have you watched television? Were the TV shows in color or black and white? When did your family first get a television? Why? Did you have some favorite TV shows, cartoons, or characters as a child? Why? Where do you usually watch TV? With whom did you watch? Did you ever watch any English language programs as a child? How many television sets are in your home today? Which do you use the most? How many channels do you receive at home? How many do you regularly watch? What television programs do you like to watch with your family? What TV programs do you like to watch with your friends? Alone? Subscribe and share this video. Have a happy learning with us.